Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Wednesday. That's April the 15th. Okay, so let me go quickly through the account value. Is at 36,426. We started back in September with $30,000. Okay, so as I told you before, you go here with a P&L since the open and then probability P&L percent and see if you want to exit any of the trades that have more than 100% return on your money. And so we have, I'm going to write this down, Palo Alto Networks, BIG, Microsoft. Those are three that have already returned me more than 100%. Based on this information, let's look at it a little more. So I'll start with Palo Alto Networks. And do I feel that I want to get out? I have a bullish trades on it, I believe. Yeah. This is a diagonal. As you can see, we're at this high level here. So the worst that could happen is the market pull back and lands here. Well, if it does, I could even get better profits. If I believe that the market was going down, I can transform this into a bearish trade. I don't think I need to do that now, but if the market was to go down, this particular stock down significantly and I wanted to, I could modify it and make it more bearish. What if I were to take off the short? Then you end up with a long put. Well, there's still some value left on that short put. So I'm going to stick with it, and at some point I will do the switch, make it bearish trade. How to do that? Well, you would close either one of these, let's say the May option, the short at 60, and sell something at a higher strike price. That wouldn't help me much, but the long put, I could sell that. I could sell the 60 put, I mean the 55 put that I have long, and buy a cheaper one at a higher strike price, 65. That would be a more expensive really. So we end up with a debit. And doing that for 2 cents, then I end up with a vertical spread. And right now it doesn't make any sense to do that. Okay, but that's a transformation we can do when the time comes. Let's look at BIG. Same thing here. This is right in the middle of my, very close to the center of my cone here. This is another diagonal. Let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, not quite there. I don't believe that it's going to go down just yet. Maybe in a couple of days. But look at the Ichimoku cloud. Remember, that's going to be a resistance there. In all likelihood, the market will begin to go down. But if it, for whatever reason, the markets break above the Ichimoku cloud as a group, then suddenly we would turn more bullish. But for the time being, that looks fine where it is. Microsoft. Same thing, we are up here. We can convert this trade being up here and my target being right here. It is by nature more of a bearish trade, even though it's, well, you can see it's neutral deltas. And Microsoft has gone over the Ichimoku cloud. That may be a signal that it's time to sell, because there is little strength that I can see left in that position, but I have not gotten a bearish signal yet. I do have a bearish signal on NUE, and I'm interested in trading this. Keep in mind that they have earnings coming up, but that's the risk I'm willing to take. And I'm doing a vertical spread here, risking $316, which is less than 1% of my account in value, and I could make $484. So it's a bearish trade on NUE. My expiration here is in May, and I'm buying the 36 call, selling the 34 call. The lower call is more expensive, the volatility is higher, and the probability of success is more than 50%. So I'm going to enter that. And that's really all that I have for today. There will be more trades in the coming days, I believe. So please keep an eye on this uh, YouTube channel by subscribing to it and clicking on the bell so you can get a notification of my next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.putgoldgenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.